Morning, I'm Lenny Kover, GSM Roofing, 40 years. I'm now the operations facilitator.
Lenny, how have IR scans improved our ability to assess overall conditions on a roof?
Well, the camera gives us the ability to go out and really find out how bad a roof, what shape the roof's in, to see how extensive any leaks are and what the moisture content is below the existing membranes.
So, Lenny, what certifications go into doing infrared scans on a roof?
It's a course you take through FLIR. It's a 5-day course. It's hands-on and theory. There's 2 tests that you have to score 80% or better to get certified to be an official IR scan.
All right, so Lenny, what are we taking a look at here?
Right now we're looking at the thermal image here, and it's showing the thermal bridging of the heat loss between the insulation joints and the insulation underneath the EPDM roof. You can see the temperature change from the bright yellow to the duller colors. You can easily see the change in temperature. Actually see the thermal bridging between the insulation joints. Yet this morning the temperature looks to be about 99 degrees where it's coming through between the insulation. Move off the insulation and she drops down to drops by about 2 to 3 degrees.